Do you often feel drained or overwhelmed being around others? Do large groups or busy places make you feel anxious or overstimulated? Do you feel a deep sense of relief when you're alone? Do people, even strangers, share their problems with you? Do you get headaches, fatigue, or body aches around certain people? Do you sense when something is wrong even when no one tells you? Do you feel guilty for saying no or putting yourself first? Do you feel emotionally drained by watching the news or intense movies? Do you feel at peace when you're surrounded by nature or animals? Do you often feel tired, emotionally overwhelmed without knowing why? If you answered yes to any of these questions, 3 or more, you are likely an empath. So stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Kamona Therapy, Healing Beyond the Veil. I'm your host, psychotherapist, and Reiki Master Christina B, here to assist you on your healing journey. So if you answered yes to 3 or more of the questions at the beginning of this video, you are an empath. And to share a quick little story with you, I am an empath. I wouldn't be talking about this if I had no clue, but it's taken me over 2 decades to figure out how to protect myself and not take things on with other people. So one time I was sitting in a restaurant with a bunch of ladies and we were eating dinner, and all of a sudden I got this excruciating sinus pain. And I thought, am I getting a sinus infection? Like, what is going on here? The pain got so intense. And all of a sudden, one of the ladies excused herself from the table, went into the bathroom. And in that moment, I realized it started to subside. And I'm like, you know what? This isn't mine. She came out from the bathroom, came over to the table. She had a Kleenex in her hand, and you could visibly see there was blood in the Kleenex. Everybody freaked out. They were like, what's happening? Are you okay? She said that she had been to the doctor a couple of weeks prior. She had a polyp in her nose. I had actually shared with her that I was feeling the same type of pain that she had experienced, and literally the polyp came out. So on an energetic level, as empaths, we pick up on energy and frequencies from our surroundings and from people. So empaths naturally pick up emotions and energies from their surroundings. Sometimes we don't even realize that we're doing it. Empaths absorb energy like a sponge, making crowded areas feel exhausting. So if you've been avoiding areas because you feel exhausted, again, you're an empath. Empaths require solitude to release energy that isn't theirs and restore balance. Empaths radiate compassion, making others feel safe to express themselves. Now, we all have empathy and emphatic abilities. We all do, but to varying degrees. Empaths unconsciously store energy in their chakras, leading to discomfort. Empaths have heightened intuition, often picking up on hidden emotions or truths. Empaths tend to overgive and must learn to protect their energy. And that's what I'm going to teach you over the course of April. Every week on Wednesday, I'm going to teach you a tool that is going to assist you to protect yourself, clear yourself, and recharge yourself. Empaths absorb emotional energy from the media. Believe it or not, we do, just like we do from people. Naturally, connecting to animals and nature, it naturally cleanses and recharges our energy. And we absorb energy through our chakras, which must regularly be cleansed to prevent blocks. So, the first tool that I want to share with you is that, and I share this in my workshops and my trainings, the first thing that you need to do is you need to acknowledge that you are an empath, that you are empathetic. And you may have it to a varying degree. You may be completely, fully empathetic, and you're constantly picking up on the energy and emotions of others. your surroundings, if you've been isolating yourself, if you've been feeling extreme exhaustion, you need to acknowledge, number one, that you are an empath. Like I said, we all have empathetic abilities. However, some more to others, some more than others. And the other thing about acknowledging that you are an empath is that more often than not, empaths have had a traumatic life experience growing up, and that they end up having to be able to read a room to know that they can modify and change their energy to be able to fit into that surrounding. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to acknowledge that you're an empath. And now what I'm going to share with you, I'm going to share with you for the entire month of April, everything that you need for energetic mastery to protect, clear, and recharge yourself. So again, the first thing, acknowledge that you're an empath. You need to embrace that. We have a tendency to want to kind of put that aside. But if you want to heal this, if you want to work through this, acknowledge that you're an empath. The second thing that you're going to do that I would like for you to do this week is every morning before you start your day or before you have to go into a difficult environment, a difficult situation, or you know that there are certain places or people that are draining your energy or you're taking on their energy, is that you want to set the intention, and what you're going to say is, let nothing from me go to fill in the blank. Let nothing from fill in the blank, whether it's a surrounding, a person, a place. Let nothing from me go to that person, and let nothing from them go to you. Okay? I found that when I learned this first tool, it's literally setting an intention and a vibrational frequency that you are putting out there. I am no longer going to take on other people's energy, and I am going to just take mine. And when you set that intention, you're putting out to the universe, enough is enough. Because we get drained, we get exhausted, we isolate. We don't want to do that anymore. You don't want to do that anymore. That's probably why you're watching this video, because you need tools. So acknowledge that you are an empath. Set the intention every day before you go into a situation. Let nothing from me go to blank. Let nothing from blank come to me. And then for the rest of April, each week, I am going to teach you a tool for your energetic mastery. I will guide you through a mini meditation for each one so that you can easily understand and incorporate these into your life and into rituals that you create for your life, because you want to be able to pick up on other people, but it's theirs. Like, you're just aware it's theirs and you're aware of yours, and you're not absorbing it. All right. So take a moment to comment below by setting this intention and acknowledgement. Tell me you are an empath. Tell me that you're setting the intention that I'm not going to take this on anymore. Let nothing from me go to whoever. Let nothing from whoever come to me. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification button so you don't miss any of these videos for the month of April. All right, let's take a moment to end the message. I'm having an issue with my microphone and my bowl. All right. People said they want to see the bowl. See you next week.